How to remove vote from a poll on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can remove a vote from a poll on Instagram. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Instagram app and you have to click your profile icon over here. Now I have posted a poll over here and I'm going to vote on it. You can see. Now I'm going to remove this vote by going to these three lines on the top right corner, and it's going to open the settings and activity menu, and you have to click this your activity option over here, or you can search for it if you don't find it over here. Click your activity and then you have to click this sticker responses option over here, and it's going to open up the sticker responses, and you have to click select over here on the top right corner and then click this vote over here, that vote that you want to delete from poll, and click delete. Now it's going to pop up with this window and you have to click delete. Now once you do so, if you go back now and now open the poll over here, it's going to give you the poll option again, and now you can just cast your vote again, and that's how you do it.